Candle Artist Way is experimenting with something new, rhinestone candles. Follow along step by step as I show you how we make them. We begin with rhinestone sheets, designed for t-shirts. This custom design was made for me using a mix of rhinestone sizes to create a more luxurious effect. The process follows many of the same steps we use in sublimation. We tape the rhinestone sheets to the vessel with heat-resistant tape, then add butcher paper to keep the shrink wrap from sticking to the glass. Next, we wrap the candle in shrink wrap and use our heat gun until the wrap is tight around the vessel. Next, we bake our candle at 390 degrees for 6 minutes in our sublimation oven. We are letting it cool for 30 minutes before unwrapping. Now for the unwrapping, the fun part. Let's fill this beauty with our luxury coconut apricot wax. The fragrance I am choosing is Red Currant, and I am testing 2 725 Premier wicks with this fragrance. Tell me what you think in comments. Subscribe to our channel. It's a free thing to do, and it helps us reach more candle makers. Want to know what to watch next? I think you will really enjoy making luxury candles. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.